Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best mystery box is probably one of the most exciting and unpredictable ways to discover new products, offering a thrilling gamble with the potential for incredible finds or surprising duds, making each unboxing an adventure into the unknown where you never quite know what treasures or oddities await you within its sealed confines. Number 5. Amazon eGift Card. Introducing the Amazon eGift Card, a convenient and flexible way to give the perfect gift. Choose from a variety of designs and denominations to suit any occasion. Forget about expiration dates and hidden fees. Our gift cards are designed to be used whenever you want, with no additional charges. The possibilities are endless. Use it on almost anything available on Amazon.com and select affiliated websites. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Need it now? Get it delivered instantly via email. You can also schedule delivery up to a year in advance, perfect for planning ahead. It's easy to purchase and use. Please note that gift cards are non-refundable and can only be used for eligible purchases on Amazon.com. Looking to gift internationally? Visit our other Amazon sites for options in different countries. We've got you covered worldwide. What we like. This is a digital gift card. It never expires and can be delivered instantly via email. If you're looking for a last-minute gift or want to give the flexibility of choice, this is a great option. It's perfect for anyone who loves to shop on Amazon and wants to pick out their own presents. What people say. The box contained a variety of items, including electronics, home goods, and toys. I was surprised by the quality of the items received. Some were brand new and still in their original packaging. The mystery aspect was exciting, and it felt like a treasure hunt uncovering each item. Number 4. Gildan Men's Crew T-Shirts Multipack G1100. Introducing the Gildan Men's Crew T-Shirts, a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Experience comfort and classic style with this essential multipack. Get more for less with our convenient multipack. Perfect for stocking up on everyday essentials. This is our style G1100, designed for durability and a great fit. It's the reliable choice for your daily wear. Enjoy the soft feel and comfortable fit of these crew neck tees. They are made to keep you feeling good all day long. These t-shirts are the perfect foundation for any outfit. Dress them up or down, they are a true wardrobe staple. What we like. These are classic crew t-shirts. They offer a comfortable and breathable fit, perfect for everyday wear. If you need a reliable staple for your wardrobe or are looking for a cost-effective way to stock up on basics, these multipacks are an excellent choice. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, and my son says they feel good to wear all day at school. They're lightweight and did not shrink after washing. The fabric feels soft yet durable, and it holds up well after multiple washes without losing shape or color. The fit is comfortable and true to size, making it perfect for everyday wear. These shirts are super soft and feel great to the touch. The length is long, perfect for tucking in and staying put. Number 3. Orzly Accessory Bundle Kit for Nintendo Switch. Introducing the ultimate accessory bundle designed for your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. It offers complete protection with a durable case and screen protectors, perfect for travel or storage. Elevate your gameplay with accessories like comfortable grip cases, racing wheels, and Joy-Con grips. These enhance your gaming experience, bringing games to life. Never worry about low battery again. Our bundle includes a charge station to ensure your controllers are always ready for your next gaming session. This pack is designed by a team of passionate tech fans who focus on quality and detail. We ensure a great unboxing experience and a product you'll love. Join satisfied gamers who trust our accessories. This bundle is highly rated by top publications and is the premier choice for protecting your console. We stand by the quality of our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year replacement warranty on all items in the bundle. What we like. This is a comprehensive accessory bundle for your Nintendo Switch. It includes everything you need for protection and enhanced gameplay, like cases, screen protectors, and grips. If you're a dedicated Nintendo Switch gamer who wants to protect your console and elevate your gaming experience, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. The carrying case will fit your Switch and games and accessories, including the game cartridge carrying case plus the stand and headphones. The earphones have a surprising sound quality, but if you don't like hollow-sounding earphones, you can always provide your preference, yet I find that if you can ignore not, they provide good sound at very good volume. The charging station is powered with the USB charging cable. Number 2. Skechers Men's Afterburn M Fit Fashion Sneakers. Introducing the Skechers Men's Afterburn M Fit Fashion Sneakers. Experience style and comfort with these versatile sneakers. Crafted with a durable leather upper, these sneakers offer a premium look and feel. They are designed for long-lasting wear. Step into ultimate comfort with the memory foam insole. It provides cushioning and support for all-day wear. The rubber outsole ensures excellent traction and stability. You can rely on them for a secure grip on any surface. These sneakers blend fashion with function perfectly. They are ideal for everyday wear and any casual occasion. Designed for a comfortable fit, these shoes will become your go-to choice. Enjoy the perfect combination of support and style. What we like. These are stylish fashion sneakers. They feature a durable leather upper and a comfortable memory foam insole for all-day support. If you prioritize comfort and a classic look in your footwear, these sneakers are a fantastic choice for daily wear. What people say. They hug your feet softly from heel to the stem. The cushioning bounces, the soles grip just right, for morning jogs, evening strolls, or a dash in the night. They're light as a feather, yet sturdy and strong, keeping you moving all the day long. They are the most comfortable sneakers I have ever worn. I've been wearing these sneakers almost daily for a year and they are showing only nominal wear. Also, I loosely tie them and use them as step-ins and the heel tab remains in great shape. When you want to do some serious walking, then just tie them tighter. The inside support is the best I have ever had. I have problems with my feet and these support me well. The looks go with all clothing. Number 1. LRMQS Women's Trendy Waffle Knit Pullover. Introducing the latest in fall fashion. This trendy pullover is designed for ultimate comfort and style. Experience the unique texture of our waffle knit fabric. It adds a touch of sophistication to your casual look. Customize your fit with the convenient drawstring. It allows you to adjust the neckline for a perfect look. Enjoy a relaxed and comfortable silhouette. Its loose fit makes it perfect for everyday wear. This piece combines cute aesthetics with casual wearability. It's the ideal addition to your wardrobe for a laid-back yet fashionable appearance. Get ready to make this your go-to item for the season. It's the perfect blend of fashion-forward design and everyday comfort. What we like. This is a trendy hooded sweatshirt. Its waffle knit texture and loose fit offer a casual and cute style, perfect for fall. If you're looking for comfortable yet fashionable loungewear or a stylish pullover for cooler weather, this hoodie is a great pick. What people say. True to size chart and very comfortable. True to size, soft and warm fabric in gorgeous pink color. It is warm and so comfortable. It washes up well and does not wrinkle. It does great in the dryer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.